time of the year where you reevaluate everything you've done this last year and wonder why you didn't hit those milestones that you just knew you were going to hit. I know for me, I've done that, every year for the last couple of years where I go in and I said, these are all the things that I'm going to do this year. And sometimes I don't hit all of them. And then I start thinking, and now you evaluating, well, why didn't I hit those things that I said to go do? And sometimes we just do it wrong. We go through and we do trial and error. We try to figure out what works. And as I've been able to figure out why I don't hit my goals and then figure out what I need to do it, I want to start teaching that to you this year. And so on 12/31, on December 31st, on New Year's Eve, before you go out and celebrate another year that didn't go the way that you wanted it to go in the first place, before you start celebrating that day or that time, and then wake up the next morning and go to the gym and 1 million people are there, I want to do a goal shedding workshop with you. And I don't want you to focus on your goals because you're going to struggle for another year. I am going to teach you. My partner, John Diggs, and I, ex-NFL player, is going to teach you how to spend your year and have the best year you've ever had by doing some things that you've never done. We're just going to talk about 5 goals during this time. We're going to meet at 10:30 in the morning, and you are going to, it's free. You need to sign up. Go to bryanearnold.com/2025 goals. Go ahead and sign up. You're going to be there. We're going to talk about personal development goals. What are you going to do with your personal development here? We're going to talk about health and wellness. What happens when you go to that gym and you start doing stuff and why you're doing it and the outcomes that you're going to get. We're going to talk about your career and financial goals. These are going to be personal goals that you're going to set. These aren't business. This isn't moving your business forward. This is moving you into becoming a different person, the person that you need to be in order to get it done the way you need to. We're going to talk about relationship goals. You need to have goals for the relationships that are going to move you forward. Those 5 people that you are around will determine what that is, and we're going to talk about what those goals are for that 5. We're going to talk about spiritual and purpose-driven goals and why these are important to have and different ways of looking at them. So we're going to talk about you. We're going to make you a better person. We're going to show you how to make these goals so that you will absolutely hit this. And 2025 will never be a year like you've ever dreamed of before. All right, don't forget, you need to go to Brian E. Arnold, that's BRIANEARNOLD /2025 goals, and we will see you there.